Hero.
Hero, what are we gonna do today?
Like that.
What is this?
A toy.
What's inside?
It was this.
What's this?
It's a kitchen and it's this on it. Now we have the plug.
Yeah, we have everything inside. Are you excited to open it?
Yeah. Yay. Let's open it.
Is that our grocery list?
Yes.
Show your friends. Show your friends. What do you need to get?
And all of them.
Yeah, you already got them, but what is this?
A broccoli.
Good job. What's that?
A mango.
Oh, mango. I think it's an orange.
Orange.
What's this?
Strawberry.
Good job. Let's take this off. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Can we take it out? Use your muscles. Use your muscles. Take it out. Oh my god. Finally. Here, your hat. Oh no.
Yeah! This is my group.
What's that?
This is the grocery.
Yeah, there's groceries inside. Let's build the fridge. Okay, let's open this fridge. Come on. Here, come on. Open it. Take off this tape.
And you open.
Okay, I'll open this and then you open that. Good job. Here, take it off.
Yeah.
Good job. Oh my god.
The instruction is there.
Instructions. Good job. We're gonna open the instructions.
Need battery.
Yeah, we're gonna get the batteries at the end. Should we start with step number 1? Okay, step number 1 says to open the fridge's door. Can you open the door? Can you open the door? Good job. Now let's go to step number 2. Okay, let's get our screws. Where are our screws? I found the screws! Yeah, I got them. Can you put the screws in here? Put it in straight and push it. Good job! Here, can you help me with the screws? We did another one! Can you find me this piece? This piece right here, can you find it for me? We made it bigger. Isn't that so cool?
Yeah.
Let's put it inside the fridge. Can you help me?
Yeah.
Here, hold it. Can you put this inside?
Yeah.
Good job. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, friends.
Bye, friends.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to search my name. It's Hero.
That's how you spell hero.
Bye. See you later. Mwah.